The difference between hot and hot mess. Okay, so summer makeup can make you look real cute and glowy, or like you fought for your life in a parking lot. Because why all of a sudden is my makeup separating, deciding to slide off my face, and somehow making me look oily and dehydrated at the same time? And today I partnered with e.l.f. Cosmetics to show you some viral product swaps that completely changed the way that my makeup looks during the summer. Hi guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, hey girl, I'm Sonia and I share beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content that is super realistic, okay? Because I keep it real with you guys, especially easy beauty that works in real life. So if you're into it and you have not already subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting that button now and let's get into it. A lot of our makeup issues actually start with the makeup prep. e.l.f. This is their Dew Primer. It's super sticky at first. This is gonna give your skin a hydrated, glowy base, so your makeup sits way smoother and fresher. e.l.f. has tons of primers, but since we are going for a more dewy, hydrated, glowy look, make sure you get the right primer. I'm gonna wait for that to dry down a little bit. Your makeup's not going anywhere. Now for the foundation situation, I had to stop pretending that full coverage foundation and 100-degree weather belong together, because they don't. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint. Today I'm gonna be using the shade number 8, Medium Neutral. This is also water resistant up to 80 minutes. Okay, coverage. Before, after. Really natural, glowy, hydrated. It's lightweight, it's got SPF in it, and girl, I can't even feel it on my skin. This works really good in the heat because it feels more like skincare than makeup, and having SPF in your makeup just cuts down the routine even more, because who wants a million steps? Not me. I'm amazed every time I use this. And if you guys want to try this, make sure to check out e.l.f.'s website because they are holding a promotion for $4 off until, I believe it's July 11th. A lot of these shades keep selling out, so make sure you guys check out that link down in the description. I feel like summer makeup is just us trying to look like super glowy, not like we slipped and fell in some olive oil. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm currently in the shade number 4, Medium. For a little bit extra glow, I've been using this product alone, like as my foundation, but you can wear this under the foundation, mix it with your foundation to make it a little bit more glowy, or you can put it on top as a highlight. This product helps to reflect light softly. People are gonna be like, oh girl, not, oh girl. Remember, we're gonna look glowy and fresh, not greasy and sweaty. In summer, we should really try to embrace the glow versus trying to mattify everything because the heat's gonna make a lot of makeup look dry already. Dry plus matte, girl. We have a lot of situations, and one of them is the under eye situation. Let's talk concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I've got the shade Light Peach. I feel like summer under eyes tend to be a little bit humbling because they tend to look a little bit dry, sweaty, or letting everyone know that we didn't sleep well last night. The skin under your eye is a lot different from the rest of the skin on your face, and that's why we have to be strategic about the products and the placement of these products under the eye. So let me show you. I've also been leaning towards hydrating concealers versus matte concealers. This is definitely gonna give you coverage, but smoothens everything out at the same time. I know the millennials are like, girl, that's it? Yeah, that's all we need. Okay, rested. Speaking of under eyes, I think this is where a lot of people go wrong because we think we either have to powder everything or avoid powder altogether. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder Filter. It's a pressed powder compact that comes with a mirror and a little powder puff down there. I just like this one because it gets really nice into the corners. And I'm using the shade Light Neutral. And again, it's really about being strategic about where you place this because you really just need to set the parts of the eyes or your face where you tend to get the most creasing. For me, it's gonna be right under my eyes. I don't like frown lines. These are laugh lines, okay? And pretty much the center of your face. Look at this compared to this. And as you can see, I used powder, but I definitely did not lose any of that glow. Next is gonna be why cream product just makes sense, especially during the summer. I don't know about you guys, but my powdered bronzers always make me look a little bit dusty, especially by noon. I'm gonna be using 2 new products to me. Soft Glam Cream Bronzer in the shade Light Medium. In my opinion, cream bronzers just look a lot more natural because they melt right into the skin versus the powder, which would just sit on top of your skin. This is bronzer, not to be confused with contour. Contour would go in the hollows of your face to make things stick out more like my cheekbones or something. Since it's bronzer, you want that on top of the bones to make you look like you've been sun-kissed. Did you notice how easy it is to blend into my makeup? After I'm done with this video, I actually have a therapy appointment and my therapist is gonna be like, did you go to the beach? Were you outside? Did you do some self-care, self-love? Because your girl's glowing. And the same goes for cream blush. I just feel like it makes me look more alive. This is e.l.f.'s Soft Glam Cream Blush in the shade Pink on it. Beautiful. I'm using a different e.l.f. brush. Okay, e.l.f., they're coming for our wallets, girls. Also for those of us who are over 30, even over 40, we're like flamingos. We start to lose our color, girl. That's why blush is so important, because it's gonna make us look like we're turning back time. Is it just me, or do I look hydrated and emotionally stable? Like, please don't let crusty lips ruin the vibe. Everything else could be completely flawless, and then you have some crusty lips, kills it immediately, which I have right now, okay? Rude. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm in the shade or flavor Vanilla Frosting. Oh, that's nice. Instant hydration. Are my lips dry? Absolutely not. We're gonna move on to lip liner, and this is a new product to me as well. This is the e.l.f. Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner. I love the triangle shape because you can hold it at an angle and get that really sharp line, and then you can turn it on its side and really fill in the lips. If you have any other shade recommendations, please let me know in the comments. But right now I'm using the shade Mauve. Speaking of dry, crusty lips, there are some lip balms out there that you cannot wear in the sun because it actually attracts more heat damage or like sun damage to the, you can actually blister your lips. This next gloss has SPF 25. So if someone tries it and they're like, you're gonna put gloss to the beach, you're gonna put gloss on to the pool. Yeah, girl, SPF, okay? Excuse me, ma'am. Did I just find my new lip combo? And now for the finishing touches. This is the kind of product that gives you that healthy glow, not disco ball. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlight, and this is in the shade Blush Money. And a softer highlight like this is always a lot more flattering versus a chunky glitter because that emphasizes on texture. And to set our look, we're gonna be using the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Sun Protection and a setting spray smashed together. 45 Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Sunscreen. Make sure you shake it up really well too. Spray this onto the face 8 to 10 inches away. Ta-da! One of the biggest SPF fails would have to be not reapplying it because it only lasts for so long. Now, depending on what you're doing, you could be at the beach or at the pool. It's going to come off. You have to reapply, and this just makes it so much easier. The biggest reason a lot of us wear SPF is to prevent from burning our skin, right? You don't want to get sunburned, turn into a lobster. But as far as beauty goes, the sun's actually creating our fine lines, our wrinkles, our dark spots. Girl, and overall just aging us. If you don't want to get into the fast lane to looking older, this is what I have in my head when I think of summer makeup now. And as always, everything will be linked down in the description box below in order of appearance. Another thank you to e.l.f. Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video and to you guys for hanging out with me. If you have a favorite e.l.f. product that I need to try and I didn't show it in today's video, please let me know in the comments down below. They've got tons. And when I was on their website, they have a lot of new releases, so you guys have to check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!